Stranded in the void, a desperate escape from an alien ship. Vast expanse of space. Sarah, a seasoned astronaut, and her crew find themselves ensnared in the grips of a colossal alien vessel. Their spacecraft had been on a routine mission when, without warning, they were captured by a tractor beam and drawn into the alien ship's dark, cavernous hold. As the crew regains consciousness, panic sets in. The ship's eerie silence is broken only by the distant hum of alien machinery. The atmosphere is suffused with a faint, unsettling glow, casting long shadows that dance across the walls. They are surrounded by strange, pulsating structures that seem almost alive, emitting a rhythmic, throbbing light. Realizing their dire predicament, Sarah assumes command. Her voice, though steady, betrays the underlying tension. "We need to find a way out of here. Stay close and watch each other's backs." The team moves cautiously through the labyrinthine corridors of the alien vessel. The walls seem to shift and breathe, and the air is thick with the scent of unknown substances. They pass through chambers filled with alien artifacts and machinery, their purpose unfathomable to human minds. Suddenly, the corridor ahead opens into a vast chamber, dominated by a towering structure that pulses with a brilliant, almost blinding light. At its center, a massive energy core hums with an ominous power, surrounded by a web of intricate machinery. Sarah's instincts kick in. That must be the power source. If we can disable it, we might be able to escape. As they approach the core, they encounter the first signs of life aboard the ship. Alien creatures, their forms both terrifying and mesmerizing, emerge from the shadows. They move with a fluid grace, their eyes glowing with an otherworldly intelligence. The crew freezes, their breath caught in their throats. With no weapons and no time to waste, Sarah leads her team in a desperate dash towards the core. They dodge and weave, narrowly avoiding the creature's grasp. Reaching the core, Sarah frantically searches for a way to disable it. Her hands tremble as she pulls at wires and presses unfamiliar buttons, her mind racing against time. Suddenly, a low rumble reverberates through the chamber. The core's light flickers, then fades, and the hum of the ship's engines begins to die down. The creatures pause, their heads tilting in confusion. "Now! We need to move! Now!" Sarah's voice pierces the tension. The team races back through the corridors, their path now illuminated by the flickering lights of the dying ship. They reach their spacecraft, hurriedly preparing for departure. The alien ship begins to shudder, its structures collapsing as the power core destabilizes. With a final desperate push, their spacecraft breaks free from the alien vessel's hold. They hurtle into the void of space, the alien ship imploding behind them in a brilliant burst of light. Breathless and exhausted, the crew collapses into their seats. Sarah allows herself a moment of relief as she watches the remnants of the alien vessel drift into the darkness. "We made it," she whispers, her voice filled with a mix of awe and disbelief. In the cold silence of space, they are once again free, but the memory of the alien ship and its eerie, pulsing core will haunt them forever.